So hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video we will be seeing the classification of the supervised algorithm. So the supervised algorithm are basically classified into two categories, that is classification and regression. So we have seen what is meant by supervised algorithm. Link to that video will be in the description as well as in the I section, you can go through it. So in the supervised classification algorithms there are two types. First is the classification and second is the regression. So these two types of algorithms comes under the supervised category. So in the classification there are again multiple types such as binary classification, multi-class classification, multi-level classification. So in the today's session we will see what are the different algorithms that comes under the binary classification and multi-class classification. So let us start with the binary classification. As the name indicates, binary means dividing the classes into two things, that is yes or no or spam or not spam. In such type of cases we will be using the binary classification, whereas multi-class classification is if we want to categorize or classify the object into more than two classes, then we can use the multi-class classification, such as classifying the color red, yellow and green, that comes under the multi-class. Or a person is normal, abnormal or serious, such type of classification comes under the multi-class classification. So we will see what are the different algorithms that comes under the binary classification. The algorithms that comes under the binary classification is, first one is the Naive Bayes algorithm. So Naive Bayes algorithm is the widely used algorithm. It is also called as Bayesian theorem. So what is meant by Naive Bayes algorithm, how to demonstrate it, and also numerical I have explained, and the video links will be in the description box, you can go through it. So it is one of the widely used machine learning classification based algorithm. Next is the KNN, which is known as K nearest neighbor algorithm. It is also a name of an algorithm which is a classification based algorithm. Third is logistic regression. These are the mostly widely used classification based algorithms to do the binary classification. Next is the decision tree. Decision tree. In decision tree we will prepare a tree. Based on that we can take a decision how to classify the object. And the final is the support vector machine, SVM. These are the 5 widely used binary classification algorithms. So in the further videos I will be explaining all these 4 algorithms, what are that in detail. The Naive Bayes is already explained, as well as the logistic regression concept is already explained. Link to that video will be in the description, you can go through it. Now we will go to the multi-class classification. Here we have to classify the object with the more than 2 classes. Here there are 2 classes, here there are more than 2 classes. So again the same thing, Naive Bayes and KNN are also used in multi-class classification also. KNN is meant for K nearest neighbor. Next is the decision tree. Decision tree is also multi-class based classification algorithm. Next is the random forest and gradient boosting. These are the additional 2 algorithms under the multi-class classification. So random forest is the expansion of a decision tree with the training data. Here we have to just provide the how many number of trees you want to create. So it is the expansion of a decision tree. So these are the algorithm which comes under the multi-class classification. So this is the basic classification algorithms or widely used binary classification and multi-class based classification algorithm. Also there are additional algorithms such as neural network come under both category. We can use neural network as a classification based algorithm. Also ensemble methods are there that comes under the regression category. So these are the different algorithms that comes under the supervised algorithm and under the classification and regression techniques. I hope everyone is clear which algorithm is used for the binary classification and which algorithm is used for the multi-class classification. So if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is provided in the description box. And thank you for watching the videos.